Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to put multiple photos on Instagram story on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to add multiple photos on your Instagram stories, first tap open your Instagram application and sign into your account if necessary. From your home screen, go to your story at the upper left corner and tap on Add to your story. Go to your camera roll at the bottom left and tap on Select Multiple at the upper right corner. Select the picture you want to post on your story along with the other pictures as well. Keep on selecting until you are done. Once you've chosen enough pictures, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. This is your picture preview. Adjust your picture like how you'd want it to appear on your story. You can even post multiple pictures and videos as well. After you're done, you can also add stickers to your story by tapping on the sticker button at the top of the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see lots and lots of stickers options which you can select. You can even add text to your story by tapping on the Add Text button. Type in whatever you want to tell about the story that you're about to post. You can go super creative with this feature. After you're done and happy with your story, simply tap on the next button. The next button is located at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, from the top of the menu, tap on Share. Tap on Done and wait for a few seconds and your story will be updated. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.